Preserve continuity of care by preparing every prescribed medical device and supply well before moving day. Start by creating a single detailed inventory that lists each prescribed device, its model, serial number, and the provider who supplies it, and share that inventory with your primary care clinician and equipment suppliers at least 4 weeks before moving. Arrange professional disassembly and reassembly for complex devices such as home ventilators, infusion pumps, and oxygen concentrators because they require calibration and testing after relocation. Ask providers for a written timeline and contact for the technician assigned. Verify the new residence for electrical capacity and outlet placement, and measure distances from planned device locations to outlets so you can install any required dedicated circuits or medically rated extension solutions in advance. Plan for backup power by identifying whether battery backups meet your needs and whether a portable generator or whole house solution will be necessary. Test batteries and run a full power down simulation at your current home to confirm runtimes and restart procedures. Transfer medical records and device settings with secure documentation and photograph settings, screens and serial numbers so technicians can restore exact parameters. Also request a printed copy of user manuals or quick start guides for the arriving technicians. Secure an ample supply of prescriptions and consumables such as tubing, filters, and infusion sets to cover at least 4 weeks and arrange delivery to the new address or a local pharmacy, and keep a travel kit of critical supplies and written emergency instructions with the patient during the move. Common mistakes are underestimating power requirements, which leads to device failure. So calculate continuous and peak loads and have a certified electrician confirm outlet capability or install a dedicated line. Another frequent issue is assuming fragile devices will tolerate standard movers, so avoid that by scheduling vendor or specialized medical equipment movers who understand calibration needs, and by labeling crates with device details and orientation. A third problem is gaps in documentation and supplies, which disrupt care. So prevent this by transferring records early, photographing device settings, and keeping a sealed box of essential consumables and prescriptions that travels with the patient. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors experienced in home modifications, electrical upgrades, and specialized moving services related to medical equipment. We also host a discussion community where we and other members share practical moving checklists, vendor experiences, and local recommendations that help both homeowners and contractors find the right match for safe, continuous care.